parsnips, we've got potatoes, and we've got celery. Okay, so you just add it. If you want your vegetables to be soft, then you cut them smaller. If you want them to have a little bit of a crunch to it, just make them a little bit thicker, and that will help do that. Yeah. Semi-thick, not too thick. Alright, and then we've got our stuffing. Okay, it's normal sage and onion stuffing, wasn't it?
Yes.
And then Obi added some extra jazzy stuff to it. She's going to explain to you exactly what she did.
Okay, so I just put a little bit of pepper in it, and then that's chili flakes. I put some honey in it. You can get like the apple sauce, you put in it instead of the honey. And then I also put, what was the last one I did?
You did apples?
I did apple, grated some apples, put in it, and mixed it all up. Yeah. So you're going to be getting the stuffing that you usually get for Christmas. That only comes at Christmas season, but you just do it at home. Yeah.
And now what we're going to do is just put gravy. Okay? So that'll be your liquid. So you know normally you put gravy in a roast on top anyway, so we just use the gravy to be our liquid to basically cook all the vegetables.
You buy gravy from?
Yeah, so you could just buy the granules yourself, or you can make your own gravy at home, whichever way you want to do it.
So just to do it, get this stone, and then I measured about 4 tablespoons, and then put 260 ml of hot water and mix it up. That's all. Yeah, it's just. No,
Just
make
you make your own.
one. I'm just talking about this one. Make anyone, yeah. You can stop here.
Perfect. So now what we do is just close the lid, and then what do we wait for it to do?
Click.
Correct. Okay. We wait for it to click, and then what do we do? Turn it down to low. Yeah.
So at the moment it's still on 230.
So now it's on medium, basically medium temperature. Yeah. So it's on it'll be on 230, and then we're going to wait for it to click, and then turn it down.
So it's still on high then?
It's on high at the moment, yeah. So we could just get to the right temperature.
Yeah.
Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of you three at the back here.